have our laundry. Ayan ang aking labahan. Hindi naman siya puno kaano, pero marami po ako labahan. It's cause of my energy for 2 hours really. So, ayan. So, yan ang natin ngayon, ang ating routine for our long weekend. So, we don't have long weekend na pupunta tayo sa ibang lugar para mag-enjoy. So, dito lang tayo kasi nga I want to recover, to restore my energies from the past few weeks ago na puro tayo madaling araw at guys, marami tayong submissions na project. So, before end of this month, magiging naman tayo. Super busy. So, ayan, kailangan muna natin na i-preserve ang ating energy for our job. Okay? We must love our job because our job loving us as well. Okay? Parang win-win situation. Okay? Breakfast natin guys. But this store natin. Ako dyan na lang sa Walter Miggy. Bibili natin personal things. So, ayan. Ayan guys. Okay? Kung isa kang I'm an eagle since 10 years old. Okay? The eagle was born in my mind when I was 10 years old. Kasi honestly speaking, humbly speaking rather, since elementary, napaka-famous ko na talaga. Up to college, okay? In high school ako. High school, of course. And then, lumipat ako ng Cebu, high school din. Third year to fourth year, napaka-famous ko na. So, I'm on the stage of fame. Okay? Kahit wala pang Facebook noon, napaka-famous ko na. Kahit saan ako mamesta, pag makita nila ako, kasi magsasaludo sila sa akin or magbabaw. So, kahit na yung mga hindi ko kilalang mga magulang, mga folks, is respetado to sa akin. So, parang hindi pa nga ako, wala pa ako si estado na namumolitika, guys. Ay, wala ako doon, but I'm sorry, famous. I'm thankful to God na kahit hindi ko sila kilala, is kilala nila ako. And they show me respect, so much respect. Okay? When college, napaka-famous ko din. First, to second year college. Kasi na third year to fourth year, up to fifth year ko, is bumalik ng depression ko when I was in high school. Kaya, I want to be an average student. I want to be low. Gusto ko maranasan yung sa baba. Ayoko nang gawin lahat para sa school. Because at the end of the day, is, gano'n, madidepress ka kasi ganito. So, gusto ko maranasan yung lowest. Okay? Hindi na kasi lowest. I want to be an average kind of woman. Okay? And then, gusto ko lang matuto, papasok sa school, matuto. Wala na talaga sa akin yung mag-advanced studies. 2 chapters or 3 chapters in that subject. Wala na sa akin yun. Kasi puro na ako gala. Nilibot ko na lahat ng simbahan mula Malabon up to Ilocos. Okay? Ilocos Norte. So, ayan. Naging lakwachera tayo, guys. Ayan. Wala akong ginawa ni magsimba. Okay? Pag mag-aral ako back to zero, back to cover to cover. Back to chapter 1. Okay. Nasa chapter 10 ka na, back to chapter 1. Ganun. Kasi nga, gumala ka. I mean, ang dami nang namesa. Pero, at the fourth year to fifth year ata, nag-solo na talaga ako. As in, nag-focus na ako. But then, kasi nga, kailangan kong graduate ng on time. And then, God's grace, thank the Lord, na ko naman siya. Na-meet ko lahat ng target ko. And, at the very first time, on the history of my beloved alma mater, CMU, I was the very first person who tackled the 36 units in one semester. Okay? Instead, yung mga classmate ko ay nag-take ng 23 units. Akin is 36 units. Kaya ang tulog ko nun, guys, you know what? 3 hours a day. 3 hours na lang. Naranasan ko parang lumipad na lang ako. Parang, minsan na akong nahimatay sa kalye, pero I pray to God na dadalhin niya ako sa bahay. Kasi makapagpahinga, makatulog. Kasi wala na talagang tulog nun, guys. 3 hours a night lang ang tulog ko, okay? But thanks po lang kay Lord. Every night, nagsusolve ako ng 200 questions. And then, napakadami kong schedules. Okay, napakadami schedules sa subject. But, I think that He gives me lots of wisdom. And, that, syempre, I'm a math explorer and science explorer when I was in elementary to high school. So, nagamit ko talaga yung logic and strategy of being a math competitor in my alma mater high school lives. Ayan. So, thanks God that God gave me a wisdom in mathematical and then analyzation from science, okay? Meron tayong mga cases, meron tayong sinisolve yung mga experimentation. So, I used that in my accounting profession, which was my chosen profession. So, ayan. So, thanks God, we are here in our career at the present time. So, let's enjoy it. Let's dance. So, I will let God. Why? What the best plans of God on us. So, I don't want to mention it when, okay, when we will get back on board, okay? It's only God knows, okay? I let God speak to me and I let God do the moves, okay? But I still do my part as well. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for your unwavering support in me and your love as well. Okay, just keep it lang and we will reach out our target or we will reach out our destination someday. So, ayan, thank you for your perseverance to follow me. And guys, ilabas tayo ngayon. Dahil wala na akong Colgate. Darling! Sige, samahan mo ako. Go! Tara! Hi! Samahan mo ako. Sige, tara. Samahan natin. Tara, darling. Let's go! Ano? Tara, samahan mo ako. Sumama ka? Lumaki ka na kasi maging lion ka. Maging tiger. Ano? Gusto mo sumunod sa akin? Tara, samahan mo ako. Ano? Gusto mo lumabas? Susunod sa akin. Tara, sasama-sama. Diyan ka lang. Kasi, let's go. 1, 2. Bye-bye, Meng. So, Yes, well, hindi talaga ako. Kanina sa Walter Market, hindi ako sarili ko. Kaya, bawal na sa atin. Kaya ako talaga nag-give talaga ako, guys. So, ito naman yung ating nag-give. For after this end of this month. Then, of course, ito talaga yung nakapurpose natin, ang ating holiday. Because wala na tayong holiday. Okay, nanimot na lang ako kanina sa aking Okay, so, namis mo naman tayo ng ating Dairy Queen chocolate. Dairy milk. Dairy milk chocolate. So, yun lang.